Yeah, what is going on? So this is how to trade options in Schwab. So first you're gonna determine your objective. If it's income generation, hedging, speculation. Income generation, when you wanna potentially generate income on stocks you wanna or would like to own. Hedging, you want to potentially reduce the downside risk on existing stock position. Speculation, like you wanna potentially profit based on the direction you think the market will move. Yeah, so after you defined the objective, you're gonna search for options trade ideas, whether you already have an underlying security or selected, or you wanna find one that fits your needs. There's a wide range of criteria to help you evaluate potential trade ideas that match your strategy, such as price, volume, implied volatility, sector, and more. Yeah, so after that, you're gonna analyze ideas. Once you've identified some potential option trades, it's time to analyze them further. You can start with perspective and ratings from third-party sources. You can also analyze each option's potential risks or reward, as well as how option price may be impacted by factors like changes in the underlying stock price, days to expiration, different strike prices, expiration days, etc. Now you're gonna place your option trade. Settled on a specific option trade, next step is to establish your option a position by submitting in an order for execution. Enter the underlying symbol, then the specific option order details, type, expiration, strike price, number of contracts, etc. Once your order is submitted, it will be routed to the next market. Finally, manage your position. If you bought an option, depending on what the price of the underlying asset is, you may decide to sell the option before it expires, or exercise the option and buy or sell the underlying security. You might also decide to let the option expire worthless. If you sold an option, you could choose to close the position by buying the option back, or do nothing and let the option expire worthless. The option may also be exercised by the buyer, requiring you to buy or sell underlying security. To help you make decisions on how to best manage your position, it's wise to keep your eye on key information such as market events, company news, price changes. Just keep your eye on the market. And yeah, that is basically it.